In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Constant Contact, whether you're gathering customer feedback, conducting market research, or simply seeking to engage your audience. Creating a survey can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into the process step by step to make sure you get everything up and running smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll need to log into your Constant Contact account. If you don't have an account, taking a moment to create one can be pivotal, as it will be your hub for not only surveys but all your marketing efforts. Once you're logged in, head over to the campaign section, which will be on your main menu. Here you'll want to click on Create, and from the drop-down menu, select Survey. Alternatively, you might find Survey listed under Marketing Tools. This will set the foundation for your survey creation. Next, you'll be presented with a choice, picking a pre-designed survey template or starting from scratch. Templates can save you time and provide inspiration, especially if you're unsure how to begin structuring your questions and responses. However, if you have a clear vision for your survey, starting from scratch gives you the complete freedom to tailor everything to your needs. Once your base is set, it's time to add your questions. One of the great features of Constant Contact is its versatility in question types. You can choose from multiple choice, text responses, and even ratings to suit your objectives. Think about what kind of feedback you're hoping to receive and pick question types that will yield the most insightful responses. After you've firmed up your questions, it's time to focus on the look and feel of your survey. Customizing the design isn't just about aesthetics, it supports your brand identity. In the design settings, you can play with colors, fonts, and layout to ensure your survey is both visually appealing and consistent with your brand image. Now, you should set the details for your outgoing survey email, including the subject line and sender information. This step is crucial because a compelling subject line can make a huge difference in your open rate. Also, carefully select your recipients. Who are you seeking input from? What demographic or customer segment will provide the most valuable insights? Before sending the survey, take a moment to preview the final version and test it. This can often catch any errors or awkward phrasing you might have missed. Once satisfied, you can decide whether to send the survey immediately or schedule it for a later date or time that aligns best with your audience's engagement habits. Finally, after distributing your survey, don't forget to monitor responses directly from your Constant Contact dashboard. This feedback is invaluable, providing insights that can guide your decisions, improve customer satisfaction, and ultimately drive your business goals forward. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating effective surveys in Constant Contact. With this tool, gathering and analyzing information from your audience has never been easier.